This phone is an all-rounder. You know, it's perfectly packed with all the amazing things you can imagine in a phone.
Being a photographer, especially someone who loves shooting on smartphone, it's a wonderful device to have. It has AI night flare portrait, AI palette, AI natural retouching, and 50 megapixel triple camera with bokeh lens.
OPPO K10 की dynamic memory helps you to live without any limits.
Snapdragon 680 है, better CPU है, better GPU है, amazing performance है. Hanging and lagging is such a thing of the past. It's so 2020.
OPPO K10 is very dependable. It has 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt super VOOC charging. So charging की टेंशन और बैटरी बैकअप की टेंशन की जरूरत नहीं है.
Sleek.
Crazy build quality.
पॉकेट में रॉकेट.
Limitless.
OPPO K10 is a game changer and everybody is gonna go wow over it.
Go and get the OPPO K10 and live without limits.